Magandang araw. This is Edward Zamora, your AIDS Healthcare Foundation Project Support Officer and HIV Counselor here in Naga City Social Hygiene Clinic. Today, let's talk about the PrEP or the pre-exposure prophylaxis. Ano nga ba ang PrEP? PrEP or pre-exposure prophylaxis is an oral medicine that the government use for it's a newest government commodity para makatulong sa ating mga kababayan na nagkakaroon ng exposure, especially those persons na nasa kalagayan kung saan sila ay nagkakaroon ng mga sexual activity, madalas those na hindi naiiwasan, those activity na hindi nakakapag-protection or protekta using condoms. Ito ang Ano nga ba ang PrEP at bakit kinakailangan natin itong gamitin? Those person na hindi naiiwasan yung mga condomless unprotected anal or vaginal sexual encounter or activity, ito ang gamot or oral medicine na ibinibigay ng gobyerno para maiwasan natin ang pagkakaroon ng HIV. So this commodity is a free service na ibinibigay especially here sa mga social hygiene clinic, nearest social hygiene clinic sa inyong mga munisipalidad at syudad. And pwede naman tayo nito mag-avail sa mga community-based organizations like na meron or existing sa ngayon. So, only thing we just need to undergo once na mag-avail tayo ng PrEP is to be tested negative or non-reactive sa HIV, syphilis, and hepatitis B. Here in our clinic in Naga City Social Hygiene Clinic, all their services is mga testings na gaya ng binabanggit ko ay libre na ibinibigay sa mga kliyente at mga pasyente. So if you are willing to take or to know about or everything about PrEP, pwede po kayo bumisita sa aming clinic here, Naga City Social Hygiene Clinic, City Health Office 1 sa City Hall Compound sa Naga City. Ayun, sa mga nagdanais mag-inquire at mag-avail ng PrEP, maaari po kayong pumunta dito at we are willing to help and explain everything kung ano ang mga nararapat gawin. Kaya po nang sabi, HIV is an incurable infection but it has treatment. But it's better to prevent than mag-treatment po tayo. So preventive is better. Laging po natin tatandaan na mas mabuti pong maiwasan natin through disiplina at pag-iingat ang infection na gaya ng HIV. So, using PrEP, it is not necessary na hindi na po tayo gagamit. So, ang isa pa rin sa pinakakailangan natin is to use protection like condoms. It is called combination prevention using PrEP. You are safe for HIV using condoms. You are safe for any kind of sexually transmitted infections na maaari natin makuha sa mga unprotected sexual activity. Again, if you are willing to avail and know everything about PrEP or pre-exposure prophylaxis, you can go us on our office, Naga City Social Hygiene Clinic, City Hall Compound, City Health Office 1, here in Naga. Thank you so much. Again, this is Edward Zamora, your AHF, AIDS Healthcare Foundation Project Support Officer and HIV Counselor. Thank you and good day.